Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to allow CapCut to access camera. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Here are general steps to enable camera access for CapCut. Firstly, open the Settings app on your Android device. Then scroll down and look for the Apps or Application Manager option. The name may vary depending on your device. Locate and tap on CapCut from the list of installed apps. Look for an option related to permissions. Within the app permissions, find and enable the camera permission for CapCut. Then close CapCut if it's currently open and restart the app. Now, if you open CapCut, try using the camera feature. It may prompt you to grant camera access. If prompted, tap allow or a similar option. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.